How to share a PowerPoint presentation as PDF to Google Drive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to PowerPoint. As you can see, this is the home page. Now choose the document that you want to share right here. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Now go to the top and click on this little icon and choose full document option right here. Click on it, and here click on PDF. Very easy and fast. Wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now click on Drive right here, and it will be shared to your Google Drive storage account as PDF. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.